Thanks for joining us at xm.com for this Forex Preview video. We'll be exploring the RBA meeting early on Tuesday. I'm Cristina Marujos, and joining me today is Senior Investment Analyst Rafi Boyajian. Now, Rafi, the RBA is not expected to announce any changes to its cash rate or QE on Tuesday. However, this doesn't mean that this meeting won't have any significance, as it will be very important to see the RBA's forecasts as a guide to future policy. Even though Australia has gotten the virus pandemic under control, how deep a recession is the RBA expecting, and how quick can it recover from it?
Well, that is a very good question, Christina, because although things are looking up for the Australian economy at the moment, so Australia has successfully managed to contain the virus and has begun lifting some of those lockdown restrictions. And in addition to that, we also have China also emerging from those lockdowns. Of course, China is Australia's biggest trading partner. Nevertheless, the RBA's Governor Philip Lowe, in his most recent remarks, did say that he still expects the Australian economy to contract by as much as 10% in the first half of 2020. That would mean Australia is expected to suffer its first recession since 1991, and unemployment is also expected to shoot up to 10%. And we're going to see those details in much more detail in the RBA's quarterly projections. Now, there is one concern now, though, even though things may be looking up, now there is an increased risk of Trump reigniting that trade war with China, which could jeopardize everything.
Now, let's have a look at the Aussie as well, because we saw it regain some strength last week. However, how do you think it will move this week, given that we're expecting the RBA's quarterly economic assessment on Friday as well?
Well, the Aussie, although it is up about 16% still, from its low point in March, we did see midweek last week the Australian dollar coming under some selling pressure, and that of course came after President Trump's threats to China about potential tariffs or taking other measures against China for not doing enough to prevent the virus from turning into a pandemic. So the Aussie rebound is now pretty much at the hands of the US-China feud, and it remains to be seen whether tensions between the US and China will ease, and that should help the Aussie resume its uptrend. If not, we could see the Aussie perhaps going back on the back foot again, and even going back towards those 17-year lows that it breached back in March.
Rafi, thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you for watching this Forex Preview here at xm.com.